Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Michigan Lower Peninsula. And you can use this as an applique or make it into a Christmas ornament, which is what I'm going to show you today. We're going to make two of these, and then we stitch them together, and you can add a string, yarn, ribbon, whatever you want to use to hang it with, and that'll just make for a sturdier ornament. This is a larger one I made, and so when you hang it on your tree, it'll just be nice and sturdy and it won't bend over or anything. So to get started, you're going to need a size G 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, also acrylic yarn in whatever color you choose, and a tapestry needle to weave in your ends. So to begin the pattern, we're going to chain 9. Row 1, we're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook and each chain to the end. Now we've reached the end, we're going to chain 1, turn your work, and for row 2 we're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet the next 5 stitches, and single crochet 2 together. We're going to turn our work, chain 1, and now we're going to single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. For row 4, we're going to turn our work and chain 1, and we're going to do 2 single crochet into our first stitch, single crochet the next 5 stitches, and single crochet 2 together in our last 2 stitches. And after each row, you can either do a chain 1 and then turn, or turn and do a chain 1. That's up to you. For row 5, we're going to single crochet in the next 7 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch, turn your work, chain 1. Row 6, we're going to single crochet into each stitch across. You will have 9 stitches in total for this row. Okay, chain 1 and turn. Row 7, we're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet the next 7 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Okay. Turn your work, chain 1. Row 8, we're going to single crochet into each stitch across. You will have 11 stitches at the end of this row. We're going to chain 1 and turn. And for row 9, we're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet the next 10 stitches. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and now is the start of the thumb. We're going to single crochet into the next 4 stitches, turn your work and chain 1, single crochet 2 together, single crochet 2 together again, turn your work and chain 1, single crochet the next 2 stitches, turn your work and chain 1, and single crochet your 2 stitches together. And that is our thumb. We're going to fasten that off. Okay, so we have our thumb on the right here, and we're going to pick up a stitch right next to the inside of the thumb. Chain 1, and we're going to single crochet into each stitch to the end. So the base of the thumb, that was row 10. So we're going to turn our work and chain 1, and this will be row 11 for the rest of the body. And we're going to single crochet into each stitch across. And you will have 8 stitches at the end of this row. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and we're going to turn our work, chain 1. We're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet into the next 7 stitches. Row 13, we're going to chain 1 and turn, or turn and chain 1, and single crochet into each stitch across. Okay, we're going to turn our work and chain 1. For row 14, we're going to single crochet into the next 8 stitches. Okay, we are not working into that last stitch. That will be our pinky. And we're going to turn our work and chain 1. And we're going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet the next 4 stitches, and single crochet 2 together. Turn your work and chain 1, single crochet 2 together, single crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch, and fasten off. And now we've made one of the mittens. You can pull on it a little at the bottom and to fit it to form. Okay, so go ahead and weave in your ends, and you're going to make one more if you're making the ornament. And so then you'll have 2 mittens that look like this. And we're just going to place one on top of the other and cut a long piece of yarn. And take your needle and I'm just going to start in the corner. And we're going to just work in and out, going back and forth around the edge of our mitten to join them together. This will make for a sturdier ornament. I'm not into the flimsy ornaments. I like it to have a little sturdiness to it. And these are really cute too if you're from Michigan, if you make like a little heart and you can put it on wherever you're from. Just if you want to add a little something extra. Or also, I've made the ornament in Michigan U of M colors, or you can do Michigan State colors and make one side green and one side white, whichever you prefer for any Michigan team that you like. And that can make for a fun ornament gift. Okay, so I'm right at the beginning again, and I'm just going to go ahead and weave in my ends and meet you right back. So here we have our Michigan mitten. I'm just going to add a ribbon to it. Again, if you have twine, yarn, anything you want to put at the top to hang it on your tree. I'm just going to tie it right at the top. Pull it tight and trim my ends. Okay, and there we have our ornament. Very cute. The written pattern will be posted on my blog, and I'll put a link to that in the description for the written pattern. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.